where are you? Let's see Evan and Daddy. There they are. Waiting to check in. Get our car. And here's Noah Bear. You see the beach out there?
Wow. How cool.
Here comes Uncle Mike with the strong coffee.
I'll wake you up.
Ow.
Sure.
It's gonna be so fun to swim in.
What, bud?
My eyes.
All right, Ab, don't go too far, buddy.
Let's see. I don't know if you can kind of see it on the video. Here's the rainbow. Maury, we need to go in this store. Can you find a catfish?
Catfish.
All right.
It has the whiskers like right here.
Do you see one in the water that's like that? What kind is that one? See if you can look at the picture and see if you figure out what it is.
I want to get off.
How do you get off, buddy? Get off, Buzz. Can you get off? There you go. Yeah, neat.
Hey, look over there.
I see it. That's really neat.
Not on the rock. In the water.
Careful, guys. Look out.
Whoa! Crash.
Try walking this way.
I did it! I did!
Good job! I saw
more
you
time,
did
Ev.
like a somersault. You want me to hold on to this for you until you're ready to eat it?
Oh.
Jump in it. Get on your head.
That's a neat looking tree, isn't it? Where'd you go, Ev?
Oh, that is your relaxation.
Ah!
Silly. You think so? I bet it would be the high school.
It's Noah. What's wrong, buddy? Getting some video. We're trying out all the exotic fruits that we got. So this one,
apple.
and we think you're supposed to just kind of peel off the stuff on the outside
Yeah,
of it.
it's interesting. It's like squishy inside here.
Huh.
I think it tastes good.
Yeah, it wouldn't go in the fruit salad. It's good.
Now let's see. The boys are over here playing card games.
Look what happened.
What happened?
The Steelers game. No, I don't think it.
Okay, the Steelers game. What about it? Yeah, so Daddy's trying to figure out how to watch the game now, huh? Yeah.
We saw a bunch of fish.
All right. What kind of fish? Do you remember?
The big ones, the little ones, and
Yellow ones.
And on the way back here, I saw a lobster.
A lobster? Really? That is neat. How cool, buddy.
We saw ones with funny noses.
That is awesome, buddy. Video. There's Maury driving, and Michael, and Evan, and Noah, and Aunt Jen. All the cool clouds out here.
So what beats robot?
Everything beats Roe. Everything doesn't beat Roe.
Robot's the best?
Fuck.
So why don't you?
Miller. Baker. Feather.
Vanilla.
Shaw.
Hey Ev, how does it feel up here? Is it cold? It's a little bit cold, isn't it?
It's a little colder than it was down by our condo.
It's cool looking at all the clouds.
Yeah. Neat.
Evan, do you see the clouds going right up here? If you look at the rocks, see how the clouds are going really super fast over there? Whoa.
What's wrong, buddy? Did it get cold?
That's your bread. Evan just got his bread.
Noah, that's a pretty cool cup that you have. Is it fun to drink out of that cup? Okay.
It like we felt like it.
Noah, what's on there?
Yours.
Here, show it to the camera. Let me see.
Lucky.
Let me see what you got. Did you get a little monkey on there?
I get two monkeys.
Let me see your monkeys, Ed.
This one's Daddy and this one's
All right, and there's your drink. That looks cool. What's in it?
a cherry.
What you eating, Ed?
Pineapple.
It's good pineapple, isn't it?
It was delicious breakfast. What did Uncle Michael call it?
Remember the word I used? Smorgasbord.
Yeah, I found a flag.
Are you guys in a hot tub? I bet the hot tub's cold.
No.
No. Do you like the hot tub, Noah? Yeah.
I know why the hot tub is called a hot tub.
Why?
Because it's hot.
Yeah.
I'm going to jump and
With your floaty over here.
I might get a little wet.
That's his key. It's his car. He lives with that.
Right here.
Yeah, that's the toilet. That's his car.
Good work.
Those are his.
Hey, how was that? Good.
about to try?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Here, touch it right here. See what it feels like. Do you wanna see the dragon fruit, Noah?
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
it looks like pineapple.
Yeah, you think?
On the outside.
On the outside, what does it kind of look like on the inside?
Kiwi.
Like a gray kiwi, kind of, huh?
All the green.
Photos
All right.
and an iPhone video.
It's gonna, have the mask is gonna fall right off, flood with water. So, widest part of your head, you can adjust it as necessary. The snorkel will come from the left side of your mouth, so it fits most comfortably from the left.
You're very good, buddy. Ev, did you like this boat ride? What did you like about it?
Okay, everyone, aloha.
The dolphins, watching the
Captain
dolphins.
speaking.
And we got to see a whale too,
You guys
didn't
want
we?
to take
No, you guys stay with me if you can't walk.
Evan and Noah. 6.
Let's see how pretty the beach is over here.
Evan and Noah 6.
Here's the shops. This is a very nice table we have, huh? We're right on the beach. And we're going to see the sunset. What'd you say about Daddy?
Before Evan and Mom.
Oh, when did that happen? What happened?
Oh, yeah. What are those? Oh, they're flowers.
They're flowers.
Oh, I thought it was a necklace.
It is. It's a flower necklace.
Oh.
You see that?
On sale?
Noah's dancing. Noah dancing.
Oh, no, let me see. Are you dancing?
Oh no.
Oh, no. Why'd you say, oh, no?
Because this is the plate.
Yeah, that's the name of this restaurant. What do you have on your plate?
A lot of fruit.
A lot of fruit.
Oranges, apples, and watermelon.
All right.
And I got a smoothie.
Yeah, they gave us a smoothie. That was
And I
nice.
got Lucky Charms.
All right. And when we're sitting over by the pool.
And are you still at the hotel?
Yeah, we're at the hotel. And there's Noah and Daddy getting their food. Yeah. The cereal bowls? Or yeah, is that what you wanted me to get on video? Oh, we didn't get you juice yet. Which one of those juices did you want?
Yeah.
What kind of drink do you have?
This one.
Yeah, what's it doing that's special?
Because it lights up.
Yeah.
And it has this.
You got a spider ring?
Oh, let's see. All right, let me see Evan. Evan, there's a spider on your hand. Ah! And there's the sunset out there. And there's Daddy.
Long white lager.
It had 4. What is that thing that we saw?
Where?
Of their house?
In our house?
Yeah, that black thing that Evan saw.
Oh, the mongoose? Or the slug? Are you talking about the slug? Yeah? Did you make a slug? All right. What are you making, Ev? Good. Let's get the view out here. This very nice restaurant.
That's great, buddy.
What are those checkers made out of? That's pretty silly.
Let me survey the board here.
Okay, I'm taking some video. Let's see the rainbow. It's not really showing up on the video so well, but there's a huge rainbow. What? Yeah. Yeah, can you kind of see the double rainbow in there? Yeah. Whoa! Evan, you're going to blow away, buddy. You're going to blow away. Very careful right there. What do you see down there? There's some fish down there, huh? Did you see the boats out here, buddy? Aw, neat. Did you sleep on the boat?
No.
Yes, you did. And what happened when you tried to open the peanuts? Oh no. You guys eating peanuts outside? Let me see Mr. Noah. Noah. Is he coming up? There he is.
Put your head in and big kicks, buddy. Big honest, big kicks.
Good job.
Mommy,
Yeah,
I go on this spot.
What did you say?
I go on this.
I know, I saw it. It's great, buddy. All right, we're going through a tunnel. Here comes the tunnel.
We're in there.
Ooh, we're in a tunnel.
In the dark. Now it's not.
And there's the beach. Did you guys say goodbye to the beach?
Bye, beach. We see you later soon.
Hey, buddy, working on your schoolwork? Yeah.
We go potty.
All right, just a minute.
I'm going on we get on the plane.
Okay.
You want to go? Can I take you, buddy?
So tell me about Hawaii. Did you have fun in Hawaii?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your favorite part of Hawaii?
Pool.
The pool? Yeah.
And all the ice cream.
All the ice cream. You guys ate a lot of ice cream and shaved ice, didn't you? And what else did you eat?
The fruit.
Yeah, those were good, huh? And what are we going to do when you get on the plane?
Go to sleep.
Yeah, I hope that's what really happens, huh? You think you'll really sleep on the plane? All right, we'll see. My grandmother lived in Fresno for her whole life. I was just here taking care of her for 5 weeks.
Wow. Man, that's a long time.
She moved from Fresno. Hey, you look like a baby.
She doesn't want to go back. She's happy.
All right, guys, we're about to land in Austin. Are you happy to be going home?